One thing I forgot to mention about these darker colours is sometimes you actually may need to put 3 coats on them just to get a good solid finish in the colour. So these walls have got 3 coats of this colour on there. I'm going to take you round to a couple of walls that only have 2 coats on, so you can see the difference. This is 2 coats on this wall, and you can still see it's a little bit patchy, which, you know, normally 2 coats of a colour will cover it over well. But sometimes, especially with darker colours, you may actually need to do 3 coats. So that's just 2 coats on that wall, and there's just 2 coats on this wall as well. And you can just see there's bits where there's been filler and stuff like that, that it just grins through a little bit. So that's one thing you're probably going to need to do with a darker colour if you're using a darker colour, is put 3 coats on there. The tape that we put down on the bottom, as you can see, it's saved, and this is only cutting roughly because I'm going to straighten these right up with the tape, and I'll show you how to do that. But it's saved all of the spray and the speckling coming off the actual roller and sitting onto this skirting we've already prepped and primed. So it just saves us a little bit of work on there. Yeah, I've still got the tape down on here, and you can see all that speckling that's on there would have been all over the woodwork, and you would need to have rubbed that all back out again. Same, I'll just put a little cover over the top of the rad there, plastic sheeting over the top just to protect that. Tops of the plug sockets, just to protect those. As you can see, there's quite a lot of speckling that this little bit of tape will actually save. It's just, it is all the way around, you just take a precaution. You can see that. So that's it with a dark colour. 3 coats is probably going to be the system you will need to follow. We're getting there, nearly there.